Hi all, it's Seamus here from Just One Source and Supply, here today to showcase a brand new product, which is the Pred Sigma. As you can see, bright vibrant green colour, and as some of you may know with our colour coded gloves, this indicates that it is cut protection and it is actually cut level D. It does score on the EN 388 2016 standards 4X42D, so is a very good abrasive product with its sandy nitrile palm coating. We have also added in an additional thumb crust protection to give extra longevity of life to the product, and it is actually tested against contact heat level 1 as well, to again give you just that enhanced protection and comfort when utilising the glove. The product is also compatible with touch screens, so anywhere where you're utilising touchscreen technology and there is a risk of cut, this is going to be a fantastic product to add into that mix. We will be having this product available in stock for the beginning of October, with pre-orders already being taken, so please do let us know if there's an interest. We can gladly organise samples. The product itself will be available in sizes 6 to 11, as with all our new products that we're bringing to market, and it will also be on a header card which features handy information to the back, as well as a QR code for further information on the product. There will be no plastic packaging involved in the product, so again, from a sustainability point of view, we are looking to make drastic changes and improvements. If you want a sample, if you want to find out more information, please let us know and we'll happily talk to you about the Pred Sigma. Many thanks.